Porksensor. Instant test for added pork to food products available soon in Southern Africa. Porksensor is a pork adulteration test product manufactured by Unisensor and distributed by Prime Pharma in Southern Africa. Also available are beef sensor and chicken sensor. These are immunochromatographic assays for rapid determination of the amount of extraneous material in a food sample. These screening tests allow for detecting the presence of as low as 2% of external material. For instance, the Porksensor assay will detect if the sample is contaminated by material from pork origin. Adulteration products are competitive assays. The test requires the use of two elements provided in the kit. The first element is a vial containing the gold label specific antibody, and the second element is a dipstick consisting of a set of membrane where two capture lines are printed in green. When there is a liquid formant of your tissue sample, the sample supernatant is added into the reagent vial where the labeled antibody binds external material if present before running on the dipstick. When the liquid passes through the green capture lines, red colors appear. The first line captures the remaining free antibody, and the second line takes a certain amount of the excess of reagent that has passed through the first line. The second upper line serves as a control line and becomes visible in all cases. Of course, we recommend adding the appropriate volume of buffer in respect to the weight of meat. The benefits of the Porksensor. You only need 10 grams of sample. Results in 15 minutes. The test is economical. The test can be done and interpreted at the factory by minimally skilled analysts. Now for the visual interpretation of the results, see attached figure 1. Comparing the intensity between the bottom test line and the upper weak control line allows for a visual interpretation of the result. If no red line occurs, the test is not valid. As being valid, the upper control line must turn to red. If the bottom test line is more visible than the upper control line, the sample is considered to be negative for specific extraneous material. If the bottom test line is as visible as or less visible than the upper control line, the sample is considered to be positive for specific extraneous material. When hesitant, consider positive and confirm by making a second interpretation a few minutes later. Please contact Prime Pharma at Leon, Leon, at primepharma.co.za, that is primepharma.co.za, or call Leon on 021 856 2386. That's Leon at 021 856 2386 to get on the early bird list and to book a demonstration.